Hello students, welcome you back once again to the online class. I am once again back here for you with EVS for class 3. Before starting the class, let us tell you that we have discussed some of the portions of chapter 2, the plant theory. Some portion is left. Today we will continue with the portion of the chapter left. So let us start. This is your book Looking Around by NCERT. Okay. Let us open the chapter 2, the plant theory. We have discussed up to page number 15. We will discuss that page number 16 and 17. Rest part of the chapter. Let us start. Let us open page number 16 here. See, look at the picture and name the things which have patterns of leaves and flowers on them. See, this is a picture given here. Here you have to name the things which have patterns of leaves and flowers on them. So let us write this answer. Let us start. This is page number 16. Okay, let us start. So I am writing the answer. You can write at the the answer. Things, if that is question 1, I can write things which have patterns of leaves and flowers on them are, you can look at the picture, you can easily tell which have patterns of flowers and leaves. Patterns of flowers and leaves, you can easily say I am writing. There are pillow covers, I can write. Wall painting, bed sheet, carpet, see at the floor, carpet, curtain, book, and the girl's pant. That trouser she's wearing, that one, girl's pant. Okay. So this one we have completed. Things which have patterns of leaves and flowers on them are pillow covers, wall painting, bed sheet, curtain, carpet, book, and the girl's pant. Going to the next page, page number 17 here. See page number 17. First question, if that one is a question number 1. This is page number 17. Look for the objects which have patterns of leaves and flowers on them in your house. You can easily identify it. You can identify from your house that which have patterns, which things have patterns of leaves and flowers on them. Write their names. I am writing some of the name. You can write answer. Pillow covers, bed sheet, then table cover, then doormat. Okay. Then going to the next question. Question number 2. Answer. Okay. You must have seen many plants and trees. How many of them can you name? So you have seen many plants and trees around you. How many can you name them? Write their name. I am writing some of the name. See. Mango tree. Banyan tree. Peepal tree. Neem tree. Guava tree. Tulsi plant. Marigold. Rose. Okay. The next question. Question number 3. If that is the question number 3, are there any plants that you have heard of but never seen? Which one? You have heard the names but you have never seen. Which one? I am writing. Pineapple. Apple. Cashew. Almond. Oak. Spruce. Pitcher plant. I have heard the name Insectivorous plant. This is saffron. Okay. Then another question is there. Question number 4, if I tell this one. Ask some older people if there were plants which they have seen when they were children but are not seen these days. I am writing some. Kadam, Simal, etc. Some of the trees, plants. Also ask them, next question is question number 5. Also ask them if there are any plants which can be seen these days but which were not seen earlier. Means that means these plants are found nowadays but were not found before, earlier. I can write tulip, bonsai of various plants, rose of unusual color. Okay, this thing you write. Okay, so up to this much we have completed today. Next day we will carry on with friendship with the tree, and this page number 18, some 3 questions are there. Page number 18, we will carry on with that in the next class. next day. So students, I think you have all will learn the answers. I have done all the question answer I have done today. So thank you very much.